friend buys my first day of school outfit.
Set, go.
Okay, Clay, we have a time limit. We have to go find a shirt. Hey guys, it's Clay.
And Raquel.
And this is Right Clay. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we have our special guests, Tannerites kids. Woo! So today we are playing Friend Buys My First Day of School Outfit. Yay! Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm buying for Danielle.
Yay!
And I'm buying for Allie, and Allie's buying for me.
And I'm buying for Clay.
This is gonna be interesting. So this is pretty much like testing out how well we know our friend. And the rule to this game is you get them pants of any sort and a shirt of any sort and one accessory. And we have a time limit of 20 minutes. Okay, so let's go. Ready? Come in. You forgot to put the chair down. No, get back in the car. Too bad. Fine, you little man.
On to set, go.
Let's go to the bras. Oh, that's actually kind of cute, guys. Oh, that's a bikini. That's actually kind of cute, guys. I'm sorry. Like, bikinis are actually cute. I don't like wearing them, but they're actually super cute. Alright, so far I've gotten her overalls. 23 bucks. I don't know the budget. Now I have to find her a shirt and an accessory. Oh, nope. Oh, nope. Oh, yes. Okay, Clay, we have a time limit. We have to go find a shirt. Ooh, it's cute.
You feel really bad?
No. 14, 16. She's not that, like, because this would have to be up here. 12, 14. California, and I love these shirts. And then I know that they love Harry Potter, or this shirt. So I don't know yet, so now it's right. I have found a shirt from, and it says, I don't go looking for trouble, trouble usually finds me, from Harry Potter. She loves Harry Potter, so now I just need to find Jane. So far I'm thinking of this, and I also found another Harry Potter shirt. Sorry guys, my voice is kind of raspy. Backwards. Okay, now we gotta go find Mom. Let's go. After looking for so long. Mom, we have been looking for you for 20 minutes.
This is gonna be fun, guys. This is so much fun.
Hey, you're wrong way. Look at it, it's not like this.
Clay, move. Clay, get out of the way. Out. Jump over there. Out.
Right, here are the clothes I'm getting. Shh, don't open.
I won't.
So here's the shirt. Here's the accessory. The baccessorie.
Accessory.
And here
what it's called now.
are the pants. Way too big for me.
Accessory. Baccessorie.
All right.
I hold out my arms. Oh, that's pants. I like the pants. And the baccessorie.
Okay, ready? Open your eyes.
Oh, it's lovely. It's a baccessorie.
Baccessorie.
I can put like lip stuff in.
Lips.
Chapstick and pencils inside. Okay, okay. Let's just hold that. Let's see, what does this say? I don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds me. I love it! It's so cute! It's a Harry Potter story. And then my pants! I'm obsessed with overalls. Yay! I love the overalls. This is the shirt.
Oh, I love that shirt.
It speaks for itself. And then these are the pants. So jealous.
I like the baccessorie.
Okay, hold out your arms. I know the baccessorie is my favorite part. Baccessorie. Okay, you can open your eyes now.
The baccessorie.
So cute.
You might have to wear a tank top under that.
Yeah.
It's gonna get you this shirt because I saw you.
I like that one. I'm Woo! Awesome. I love it. I love this shirt.
I love what it says.
Ready? I'm
So
gonna model it.
it's the front, it's the back. And she has like a, instead of the that one, so you can kind of see the
If you want to see the
thing.
words, it's cute, stylish.
I don't look.
I don't look. Yeah, that's me.
And then the front and the back and the baccessorie.
I think it looks really cute on you. Yellow sweats.
I love the badges. It's so awesome. Clay, what she gave Danielle was so cute.
I loved what Danielle got for Clay. It was actually really cute.
And it was hilarious of what they said right before about the choker. Go check out Tannerites Kids to go find out what Clay got Danielle and Danielle got Clay.
Comment down below telling us whose outfit was best.
Mine.
Obviously mine.
Mine. Mine. Tannerites Kids. Their link will be in the description down below, so go check out their video to see what Danielle got Clay and Clay got Danielle. On to the next part. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to go check out Tannerites Kids. The link is in the description below. So make sure you guys go subscribe to their channel. And make sure to subscribe here. And make sure to click the bell. And thanks for watching. Ride Clay.